Got a fish on, y'all. Oh, he pulling drag. He pulling drag. I just ended the live, yo. As soon as I end the live. Oh, he pulling drag. Oh my God. Oh, he's down. Y'all know what it say right there. Y'all know what that say right there. Get out and get him. Shout out to all my peoples, man. This is for y'all, yo. Ooh, he down there. He down there. Net man, where he at? Let's get it, baby. Come on. Ooh, he down there. He digging. Ooh, he's digging. Ooh. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Take your time. 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 You know what I'm saying? You with the best right now. You with the best. Come on, I got you. Come on. He's digging, y'all. He's digging. He's digging. Oh, man. It's so crazy. I was over there just thinking like, man. This is on that pack and pops. This is your rig right here, bro. Oh, he's digging. He's nice one. I can't even see him yet. He all the way out, but I can't even see him yet. Go under that line one time. Oh, wow. Go! Let's go! Again. He was gonna run again. They always get close and they try to run again. Ooh. It's a nice fight right here. It's a nice fight. I ain't gonna lie, it's a nice fight right here. Definitely gotta be more than 5 pounds right here. Definitely more than 5 pounds right here. Oh, he's supposed to go for the drag, yo. I was getting hit on this rod too over here. Ooh. I can feel how heavy he is on the rod. Ooh. I'm bringing him in now. Big boy too. I gotta get down and get him. Big boy. I got you, boy. I got you. We're gonna do our quick spot right there. Yeah. I'm in. Jojo got you. Jojo got you. Jojo got you. Jojo got you. Jojo got him. Jojo got him on that Pack and Pops rig right there. That's that Pack and Pops rig. Beautiful carp. Beautiful carp. Pack and Pops, bro. My man. My man with the plan. My man with the plan. Shout to Pack and Pops. We about to get this hook out of his mouth right now. We're gonna get the hook out right now. Get that weight up. Let's go. Beautiful carp. Beautiful, beautiful carp, y'all. I tell you, beautiful boy. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful, y'all. Yes. Oh my God, when I tell y'all perfect hook, Perfect hook size. Perfect hook. Packing pops. It's your rig right here, bro. Beautiful fish. Let me get my gloves on because I don't want to get all slimy, all crazy right now. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Check him out, y'all. Check him out. Nice, yo. Nice common carp right here, yo. Nice big boy. Yes, sir. I need you. Need you all year round. Nice way to start 2025 off. Oh, no. Man, didn't want to do that. Oh, my God. Come on, yo. He's a nice big boy. I done plopped him all crazy. But let me get him on the good side. Stop it. Let me get him right, y'all. Give me 2 seconds. Big boy. Packing pops. Common carp. Beautiful. Beautiful, yo. Yes. Packing pops, man. Shout to everybody. 2025 looking good. 2025 looking good already. Let's go, y'all. Looking good, man. Put him in that sling. I'm gonna do some clocking and topping. You're gonna try it. That's why I got this sling right here for his butt. Right in this sling right here. He good, y'all. I got it. I'm about to release him back in that water. Let's go. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Man, tell y'all. Beautiful carp. That's how we turn it up, man. Y'all know how we do it, man. Let's get it.